Hey there. So, if you have heard me on stage, you know that I talk about the crisis of trust that we have in our country and many countries throughout the world, frankly. This week, my social media channels, keep an eye on them because they're going to be filled with all things about this trust crisis and how we can overcome trust issues in business, specifically sales and marketing. So the trust crisis, just in a nutshell, there were three strikes that led to it, to use a baseball analogy. The first strike was the recession. The last bad recession that we had led to a lot of distrust of consumers, distrusting companies and the government because of all the bailouts that happened for major corporations while people were losing their homes. So that was strike one. Strike two was the pandemic, which caused a lot of divisiveness in our country, even among families. But we had such divisive opinions that it led to distrust. The very fabric of our society was kind of ripped apart, and it hasn't really mended, and the trust crisis is only getting worse. In strike three, artificial intelligence. We're in the midst of it right now, of this accelerated evolution of technology, and we are distrusting sales and marketing even more, and videos can even completely be faked. So it's going to make an interesting election, certainly, when both sides can make the other candidate say whatever they want in a video, and it looks so real. So trust crisis is absolutely impacting how we have to shift our strategies for sales and marketing, because when our prospects, 98% of them, according to my recent poll, 98% distrust organizations, we have to do something different. And it all comes with strategies that I will be sharing with you about how we can humanize ourselves better and how we can stand out in a way that builds trust rather than annoying our prospects or causing deeper distrust. So stick to my social media this week if you want to learn more.